Friends, I would like to introduce you to the Baldwin DP600, a magician of the agricultural world. Imagine a giant that can finish a job that would take hours in the field in minutes. Baldwin DP600 is exactly such a machine. This unique agricultural machine ensures that plants are processed in the most efficient way, even in the most difficult conditions. Its giant and flawlessly functioning systems process the soil with the meticulousness of an artist, while harvesting with millimeter accuracy. Get ready, because we are here with another incredible machine that is shaping the world of agriculture. ACO 600. This huge agricultural machine makes its power and skill felt in every detail. It is a savior for those looking for speed, efficiency, and incredible precision in field work. The greatest skill of ACO 600 is to cultivate the soil in the most effective way. It works with such power that it processes even hardened and challenging surfaces as if they were cotton. It becomes the greatest helper of farmers with its unstoppable performance at every stage from seed planting to harvest. Attention! Now, the legendary powerhouse of the agricultural world, Lance Bulldog, is coming to the stage. A technological marvel that makes you feel how special this machine is even when you hear its name. An engineering miracle that blends the old with the new lies in every detail. Lance Bulldog is not just an agricultural machine. It is a giant that works in the field like a worker. Its power comes from its ability to cultivate the soil with millimeter precision even in the most difficult conditions. Are you ready to meet another great machine that has revolutionized the world of agriculture? Introducing 150 case HP. This machine does not just work in the fields, it practically dominates them. Every moment it touches the soil, it dazzles with its power and performance. At the heart of 150 case HP lies a huge power. This 150 horsepower machine never loses its speed and control even in the toughest terrain. Digging, transporting, or planting in the field. No matter what the task is, it is all just ordinary work for 150 case HP. The moment the wheels of the machine turn, it is as if even the soil submits to it. The Fendt Ideal 10 is a true harvest artist. Its high-capacity system is designed to handle even the largest areas quickly and efficiently. This is a speed machine that reduces hours of work to minutes. Separating the straw, collecting the crop, each movement works like a perfect symphony. The greatest power of New Holland CR11 is hidden in its powerful system that establishes unlimited dominance in the fields. Whether it is wheat, corn, or any other product, this machine plays to the top in every type of harvest. Its innovative rotary drum system processes the product at an incredible speed, making a difference in agriculture. Get ready. Now, one of the most powerful and durable tractors in the agricultural world is coming to the scene, the Challenger MT875E. This machine is not just a tractor, it is a giant that blows like a storm in the fields. With its power, performance, and capabilities, the Challenger MT875E opens a new era in agriculture. The real star of this machine is its ability to handle heavy loads and difficult conditions. With an engine power approaching 600 horsepower, the Challenger MT875E demonstrates superior performance even in the most difficult soils. The most important feature of the Caterpillar Challenger 65C is its superior performance on all types of ground with its track structure. Whether it is muddy fields or rocky terrain, this machine moves like a tank on all types of ground. Its traction power and balanceability prove that no job is impossible for it in the field. This machine collects all kinds of products with the same precision and care. Whether it is wheat, barley, or corn, it does not matter for the Ford 642 Combine. It does a flawless job by leaving a tidy and clean surface behind as it moves through the field. Moreover, it never slows down while doing this, because the Ford 642 Combine is the perfect combination of speed and efficiency. This combine harvester stands out as an unforgettable assistant in harvesting work with its classic design and impressive performance. You will be amazed when you see its power and precision. The FAHR M88S Combine is a machine that deserves to be a legend in the world of combine harvesters. Its excellent efficiency in small and medium-sized field work makes it indispensable for farmers. It is a masterpiece with its ability to collect and clean the crops. The John Deere 970 Combine is a performance giant designed to work in large areas. Its superior capacity allows it to complete harvesting work that would take hours and minutes. It offers unparalleled efficiency while collecting crops, leaving almost no waste behind. It processes each grain with great precision, helping farmers to get the full value of their labor. The Massey Harris 21 is known as one of the world's first commercial combine harvesters. Designed to lighten the workload on farms and speed up the harvesting process, this machine was the starting point of the agricultural revolution. Functionality and innovation come together with every turn of its wheels. The most striking feature of this machine is its incredible collection and separation mechanism for its time. It separates the seeds with great precision, while leaving the chaff behind cleanly. It has become indispensable for farmers with its reliability, even in the most difficult conditions. The most important feature of the Fordson Major County Crawler is the superior traction power provided by its crawler system. Muddy, rocky, or sloping terrain, it doesn't matter. This huge machine moves on all types of ground without shaking and completes its job flawlessly. Tough conditions? They are just a playground for it. The machine's powerful engine allows it to easily pull heavy equipment. In tasks such as plowing the soil, carrying loads, or supporting other agricultural vehicles, the Fordson Major County Crawler is a true leader. The Holt 75 is a crawler tractor designed especially for hard ground and heavy work. Its powerful engine and durable structure allow it to work without giving up even in the most difficult terrain conditions. From muddy soil to stony surfaces, the Holt 75 moves forward like a huge tank. Thanks to its crawler design, the New Holland TK100A virtually dominates terrain where traditional tractors have difficulty. Steep slopes, slippery ground, or narrow spaces, none of them can stop its progress. With each crawler movement, it processes the soil with the meticulousness of an artist. This giant agricultural machine is not an ordinary tractor. It is a revolution in liquid fertilizer tanks. With its 14,000-liter capacity, it gives life to the fields and makes the soils most productive. So, why is this machine so special? Because it does not only carry liquid fertilizer, but also maintains the balance of nature while feeding the soil with an advanced distribution system. The distribution arm, which extends up to 12 meters, increases the quality of the crops in the fields by feeding every centimeter equally. This machine is not just a leaf sweeper, it is a natural wonder organizer. It reaches the most difficult corners with its high-speed airflow and does not leave even a leaf behind. Moreover, thanks to its large-capacity collection chamber, there is no need for constant emptying. You can spend the time you save on this job on other jobs. Gruber SM350T is designed for those who know that every second is valuable on farms. Thanks to its 3.5 cubic meter capacity, it prepares a large amount of feed in one go. And more importantly, it provides a completely homogeneous mixture. While each of your animals is fed with feed of equal nutritional value, your mind and mind are at ease. This beast is designed to challenge all types of terrain. Muddy fields, rugged slopes, rocky terrain, it doesn't matter for Losol Tractor. Thanks to its special suspension system and strong traction, it shows its power even in difficult conditions. Engine power and durability. With its impressive blade system, the EX30 mows even the toughest grass in an instant. Thanks to its wide cutting area, it can clean a huge area in an hour. This machine is not only powerful, but also works at an impressive speed. Tulip picking machine. This incredible agricultural machine picks thousands of tulips at once, without the need for human hands. So how does this work? Special robotic arms inside the machine detect the exact moment when the tulips are ripe and delicately separate them from their stems. No flowers are harmed in the process. Every move is like a work of art. Moreover, with this revolutionary technology, fields are harvested 10 times faster than before. John Deere 6250R, with its 250 horsepower engine, is unstoppable even in the most difficult terrain conditions. But the real feature that sets it apart from others is the incredible performance that emerges when combined with the TEB MS240 fertilizer distribution system. It spreads tons of fertilizer homogeneously on the fields in minutes, and does this so precisely that not even a square centimeter remains empty. The Fendt 939MH offers both power and elegance with its 390 horsepower engine. But the real magic begins when it is combined with the Kverneland 7 equipment. This equipment is equipped with advanced rotor technology and designed to work the soil in the most efficient way. Field preparation? Tilling? It can do it all at once and flawlessly. What about the quality of cut? The MacDon D125 is a true master of precision. Thanks to its flex draper technology, it adapts perfectly to the slope of the field. This means that even on uneven terrain, it minimizes straw loss and cuts every crop to perfection. It offers a level of accuracy that no ordinary machine can ever match. This incredible system carries out irrigation and spraying operations in fields with revolutionary precision. Moving on a single rail, this technology works with millimeter accuracy, meeting the needs of your plants and reducing waste to zero. MB-Trac 900 Turbo is a candidate to be the king of the fields with its 6-cylinder turbo engine. Its powerful structure offers you a unique performance even in the most difficult terrain. However, it is not only the engine power that makes this machine special. With its balanced and compact design, It provides maximum control everywhere from small areas to large fields. With its huge working width of 9.5 meters, Pegasus 9500 allows you to work on large agricultural lands in record time. But this is just the beginning. Its ultra-precise cutting technology processes your crops in the most efficient way, while making the field ready for replanting without damaging the soil. Shake Catch Harvester works like a miraculous harvesting robot. Its mechanism shakes the branches of the trees delicately, making the fruits fall, and collects the fallen fruits with a perfect system. Harmless and fast, the fruits are neither crushed nor damaged. Each one is harvested completely healthy and in accordance with market standards. The Stump Bucket Grapple is designed to uproot the toughest roots and largest tree trunks. Its strong, sharp steel teeth easily break through even the toughest soil, seeping under the roots and removing them effortlessly. But your work doesn't end there. With the grapple feature, you can firmly grip and carry these giant pieces and easily place them anywhere in your field or construction site. Onion Planter Machine prepares your fields quickly, efficiently, and flawlessly with its fully automatic planting system. Thanks to its special mechanism, it drops the seeds into the soil at equal intervals and the right depth. The result? Perfect growing conditions and higher yields. Here is a miracle that revolutionizes the world of agriculture. Agbot 2.055W4. It works like a farmer from the future, but it is here today. This robot is far beyond ordinary agricultural machines. Thanks to its autonomous artificial intelligence, it can manage all the work in your field. Planting seeds, fertilizing, even removing weeds. It does it all by itself. This machine is not only powerful, but also smart. Its special track system increases your productivity by minimizing soil compaction in the fields. Moreover, it maintains its soil-friendly structure even when carrying 20-ton loads. It is both environmentally friendly and the real hero of agriculture. With its full 1100 horsepower, Nexat tractor breaks the standards. Whether you are working on huge fields or hard soil, this beast never slows down. Moreover, while it produces incredible power with its dual engine system, it does not forget fuel economy. This machine is a real-time and energy saver. We know that it is tiring to pick up every single stone in your field by hand. That's why the Rock Picker ATV comes into play. With its powerful hydraulic system, it grasps the stones, collects them, and transports them flawlessly. The high-speed shaking system brings down all the fruit of the tree in minutes, while the incredibly sensitive picking technology does not waste any almonds. Specially developed vibration motors ensure maximum yield without damaging the tree. And the most impressive part? This technology fits the work of a human team that would take hours into just minutes. The Globus E-Trike ETK is a wonder designed for agricultural workers. With its high carrying capacity, it easily carries everything from hay bales to fruit crates. Moreover, its compact structure offers incredible maneuverability in narrow fields and gardens. What about energy? It offers hours of uninterrupted work on a full charge. Thanks to its silent engine, you can work without scaring animals. Even the villagers have to get close to this silent giant to understand what it is doing. This AI-powered robot recognizes weeds, locks onto the target, and eliminates them without making a single mistake. So how? Thanks to its cameras and sensors, Asterix Weed Robot scans each plant and detects only weeds. It detects even the smallest weeds that cannot be seen with the naked eye, makes a pinpoint shot, and finishes the job without any hassle for the farmer. Kubota B5000 is the greatest helper of farmers with its incredible maneuverability and durable structure. Its engine of only 12 horsepower is powerful enough to do all the work you need while maximizing fuel economy. Specially designed to move in narrow areas, this little giant makes the villagers wonder, how can something so small do so much work? This robot is a perfect combination of artificial intelligence and advanced technology in the field. Thanks to its advanced sensors, it detects only ripe strawberries and picks them with its sensitive robotic arms. And without damaging the strawberries, this robot, which completes the work of a person for hours and minutes, pushes the limits in both speed and precision. The LUF-300SG is a powerful remote-controlled firefighting robot. It bravely enters even the most intense flames and suppresses them in seconds with its water and foam spray systems. Its high-pressure hoses work much more effectively than ordinary firefighting equipment. And the most surprising part? Despite the intense smoke and heat, this robot's mobility is never limited. Swagbot not only does planting and harvesting, It can track animals, analyze the condition of the land, and work uninterruptedly in all-terrain conditions. It can manage tasks such as irrigation, weed detection, and even grazing animals. Moreover, it is environmentally friendly with its fully electric structure. Auto Agri IC Series is an agricultural robot equipped with artificial intelligence that can operate completely autonomously. It scans the fields, plants, fertilizes, and even collects the products when it is time to harvest. While doing all this, it works with maximum precision, guaranteeing the best results by performing soil analysis. What about energy? Thanks to its electric motor, it does not harm the environment and offers a quiet and effective performance. Caranitas monitors the health of your crops on a daily basis thanks to its artificial intelligence system equipped with advanced sensors. While analyzing disease symptoms, pests, and soil conditions, it also takes the necessary precautions. It provides effective protection without harming your plants by reducing chemical use. Moreover, it increases productivity by scanning your entire field in minutes. The Case IH AF11 dazzles with its huge capacity. Its high-speed grain collection system provides maximum yield in a short time, even in the largest fields. Moreover, it reduces product loss to almost zero thanks to its advanced separation technology. While providing complete comfort to the operator with its modern cabin design, it keeps every step under control thanks to its advanced sensors. Helix AR2 combines advanced drone technology with agriculture, managing everything from seed planting to irrigation, fertilization to pest control from the air. It provides a complete analysis by scanning your entire field with its advanced camera and sensor systems. It produces solutions according to your specific needs for each plant. Moreover, it aims for zero emissions with its environmentally friendly engine. When the versatile 610DT comes into play, especially in large-scale agricultural fields, there is no piece of land that can withstand its power. This machine buries the giant plows in the ground in seconds and makes the field ready for cultivation in an instant. So much so that the tracks left behind by this monster turn the field into a work of art. While turning the soil upside down, it amazes everyone with its power. Let's say a giant plunges its steel claws into the field and vomits tons of potatoes onto the ground in seconds. This is the real face of the AT5104 LNMS. Its giant rotating blades tear the soil apart like a volcano eruption. Roots, stones, mud, nothing can stand in the way of this monster. When the Krone Big M 450 comes onto the field, the weeds in the field are looking for a hole to escape. This huge combine harvester mows large areas in one go, making you forget how time flies. It has such a cutting power that ordinary machines look like child's play next to it. With its 3 powerful mowing units, it works with the highest efficiency and flattens the field like a carpet. It clears a huge area in minutes, offering farmers an unrivaled experience in terms of speed and efficiency. This huge beast literally shakes the soil as it moves across the field. With its engine approaching 900 horsepower, it does jobs that ordinary tractors cannot do. This tractor, which completes heavy agricultural operations that would take hours and minutes, is the definition of efficiency in every way thanks to its 360-degree rotating cabin. But make no mistake, this is not a tractor, it is a real agricultural war machine. Is this an agricultural machine or a giant battle tank? When the Homer 585 lands on the field, ordinary agricultural machines disappear in its shadow. With its 585 horsepower engine, it never hesitates to carry the heaviest loads. This giant was designed to carry liquid fertilizer, distribute organic matter, and work with superior maneuverability on huge agricultural fields. As big as a truck, as agile as a tractor. You won't believe your eyes when you watch this. New Holland FR 920 is not an ordinary harvester. It is a monster that swallows the field. With its 911 horsepower engine, it literally tears everything in its path into pieces. Corn, grass, clover, whatever it is, it swallows it in a single pass and processes it perfectly, leaving a perfect product behind. This giant was built to pull the heaviest agricultural machines where ordinary tractors are helpless. It drags and passes giant plows in a single pass, crushing the soil to create perfect ground. Thanks to its huge 4-track walking system, mud, stones, slopes, nothing can stop it. Watching this machine is like seeing how far agricultural technology has come. The Vintera 2K is not an ordinary hoe. It has steel claws that dig into the soil. This beast uproots the toughest weeds, moves across the field with millimetric precision, and works with surgical precision without damaging the crops. Polaris Viking tackles the silage compaction and arrangement task, one of the biggest problems on farms, with superhuman speed and power. It spreads and compacts tons of material with millimetric accuracy, so that animal feed reaches the highest quality. This monster, which uproots tons of beets per minute and moves forward without considering mud, rocks, or difficult terrain, cleans the field in a single pass. Its special digging systems collect the beets without causing the slightest loss, reducing the harvest that would take hours to minutes. While special digging blades break up the hard soil, the automatic conveyor system cleans the potatoes from mud and stones, ensuring a perfect collection process. Harvesting tons of potatoes per minute, this giant minimizes the labor in the field. One of the biggest problems for farmers is the uneven distribution of fertilizer. This is where Rouch comes into play. Its high-speed spreading discs spread the fertilizer precisely and at the desired rates on the field. This machine processes tons of fertilizer in seconds, providing maximum savings in time and fertilizer. This machine is starting a silent but ruthless war in the agricultural world. This machine is a beast that cleans weeds from their roots and organizes the field with millimeter precision. It works without damaging the plants, mowing and collecting the harmful weeds in the field quickly and effectively. When the Samson PG235 fills its huge liquid fertilizer tank, it moves forward in perfect balance on the field and gives the soil the nutrients it needs. It completes a process that would take hours for ordinary machines in a single pass. It strengthens plants against diseases, pests, and drought by scanning hectares of land in a single pass. The huge spraying tank provides long-term operation, while the automatic spraying mechanism sends every drop exactly where it is needed. With its powerful collection system, CFS 4002 collects alfalfa, hay and grass in a single pass and carries it to its huge hopper. It accelerates production in the livestock sector by collecting tons of feed in seconds. The 35-meter-long giant spraying arm covers the field in a single pass. Demontrac completes the work of conventional spraying machines in a single pass. It provides the best protection for crops on large-scale agricultural lands. With its huge body and four-wheel drive system, it offers a perfect ride by moving without slipping even on the hardest fields. It drags plows, planting machines, and heavy equipment in a single pass. Farmers who witness this power do not look at other tractors. This machine pushes the boundaries with its revolutionary features in agriculture. Think about it, it is much more powerful, much faster, and has incredible maneuverability than normal tractors. It is both compact and offers impressive performance. The heart of the Landini L45 is a true marvel of engineering. You are guaranteed to get high efficiency with low fuel consumption. You will say, how easy can it be to cultivate the soil? In addition, this little giant works flawlessly even in the most difficult conditions, speeding up your work and minimizing the time spent in the field. This machine has a unique technology that can easily process wetlands, just like working on an asphalt road. Thanks to its wide wheels and incredible balance system, it can move forward without sinking or getting stuck, which sets it apart from other machines. It processes the soil in the most delicate way, allowing you to achieve excellent results even in wetlands. What makes Madara Agro so special? First of all, its perfect cutting technology. It cuts the lavenders as carefully as if they were handpicked, without damaging the roots. Moreover, it is possible to harvest even in huge fields within hours. Did you say time saving? This is where it comes in. Madara Agro increases your harvest speed by 10 times and keeps the quality of the lavenders at the highest level. Orek Weedman literally pulverizes grass, thorns, and weeds even on difficult terrain. Thanks to its superior cutting power and durable blades, it easily advances even in the most challenging areas. This beast, which moves on its own and is extremely easy to use, has no difficulty in digging up the roots of the weeds. Ordomec 8400 collects vegetables without damaging them with its precision cutting technology and preserves the freshness of the leaves at the maximum level. Moreover, it has the capacity to process hundreds of kilograms of product per hour. This machine, which minimizes labor and maximizes efficiency, both saves farmers time and increases product quality. What is the difference of the Crop Care Double Lifter Wrapper? Thanks to its dual function structure, this machine first lifts the bales delicately and then protects them with a perfect wrap. Moreover, this process can be done without slowing down even in the most difficult terrain. The durability of the bales increases, and the transportation and storage processes become much more efficient. makes the Markcrest Swing Max so special? Unlike traditional bale harvesters, the Swing Max is incredibly fast and has impressive maneuverability. It glides easily from one end to the other and collects bales in no time. What's more, its huge carrying capacity eliminates the need for constant stopping, even on the largest fields. Where does the big baler 1290 get its power? First of all, it saves time with its ability to create huge, tightly compacted bales. This means you get maximum density in each bale, while the machine continues to work at full speed. Even the largest fields are child's play for the big baler 1290. The Holmer Terra Felis 3 is not just a beet loader. It is an engineering marvel designed to lighten even the biggest workloads on site. With its superior technology and incredibly powerful engine, it is its speciality in effortlessly processing and loading tons of beets. What's more, it operates with incredible maneuverability even in the tightest spaces. The most striking feature of this machine is its incredible flexibility. Damcon Multitrike has a structure that can be quickly adapted to different sapling planting operations. Moreover, thanks to its easy use, it is ideal for both beginners and professionals. It maintains its stability even on difficult ground and places tree saplings meticulously. The ASA Lift 3-bed onion windrower carefully lifts the onions and leaves them in a neat row. This not only makes your job easier, but also helps maintain crop quality. Difficult soil conditions? No problem. This machine performs smoothly even on the toughest terrain. The biggest advantage of the DeWolf GBC. One is its ability to collect every single potato that comes out of the ground without damaging it. Thanks to its superior technology, potatoes that come into contact with the soil are processed in the best way and arranged in rows. Moreover, it can do this process without any problems even in difficult terrain. The most striking feature of the Claas Cougar 1400 is that it is equipped with 5 wide mowing units. Thanks to this, it mows more area with each pass and saves you a lot of time. Designed for working on large areas, this machine moves like a giant on your field and delivers flawless performance. Once this huge beast has entered the field, it is as if it were not moving on the ground, but on the surface of an alien planet. Specially developed for high efficiency, this machine mows huge areas in one go and perfectly collects the crop in seconds. The OE4 completes the work that would take days for a conventional combine harvester in just a few hours. This machine is not just a walnut or hazelnut harvester. It is an agricultural hurricane. As soon as it approaches the base of the tree, it grabs the trunk with its huge claw, then shakes the tree in seconds, dropping all the products to the ground. But we are just getting started. The fruits that fall to the ground are sucked up by vacuum collectors in seconds and transferred to the conveyor line. With every movement programmed with millimeter precision, the X16 can quickly harvest thousands of trees at a time. Such a monster has never been seen before among agricultural machines. Here it is, Afrin Machinery HS900W. This giant system performs tree pruning and harvesting work so fast that everyone who watches it is left speechless. When it enters a large orchard, it is as if it is dancing with nature. Its giant arms grasp the trees with precision. Its rotary saws are activated with millimetric calculations and cut the branches in seconds. This is not an agricultural robot. It is a marvel of artificial intelligence that literally walks on the soil. Introducing the AgroUpna robot. This extraordinary machine works with cameras that see details in the field like the human eye and an analysis system supported by artificial intelligence. But what makes it really special is that it does not just go like an ordinary robot. It analyzes the soil, plant, and crop at every step. As the new face of precision agriculture, AgroUpna treats each plant individually. The revolutionary giant of the agricultural world, this monster is not a tractor on its own, but a fully fledged agricultural platform. While traditional machines do one job, Nexat 1100 PS does 4 jobs at once: plowing, planting, fertilizing, and even harvesting when necessary. With its 1,100 horsepower engine, it does not only break up the soil, it also reshapes it. With its modular structure extending up to 14 meters, it sweeps through the fields row by row like a ribbon. Those who see this machine for the first time say, lettuce harvesting can't be anything like this. Introducing Automatic Lettuce Harvester Machine. This incredible system sweeps the fields in minutes, reducing the work that would take days of human effort to seconds. Its giant cutter bars move at the perfect height above the soil and separate the lettuce from the stem and take it to the conveyor belt. Moreover, not a single leaf is damaged and no product is wasted in the process. Not everyone gets to witness such a scene in agriculture. Here is the magnificent spraying operation carried out with the Alouette 2 helicopter. This iconic helicopter glides over the field like a fly, while spraying with millimeter precision with the spray systems integrated underneath. Moving at low altitude without deviating by an inch, the Alouette 2 processes hundreds of acres of land in minutes. This huge tool brings even rock-hard soil to its knees. Working like an underground monster in deep soil processing, this machine breaks up and aerates the soil with its specially designed powerful blades, breaks up compacted layers, and creates a perfect ground for root development. This impressive machine harvests potatoes with surgical precision. Special digging blades underneath gently dig into the soil to remove the potatoes, then instantly separate the soil with a vibrating sifting system. But the real magic begins on the giant conveyor belts. The potatoes are transported upwards without any damage and placed in crates with automatic filling systems. This machine is not an ordinary row planter. It is a production machine that works completely in synchronization with the soil. This special model of the SE300 series ensures that each seed is placed at the exact depth and distance it needs thanks to its millimetric adjustable systems. When combined with the MS4000 carrier unit, this machine can plant in large fields nonstop and in perfect order in one go. Onion harvesting has never been this fast, this flawless, this amazing. Introducing Onion Harvesting Machine. As soon as this incredible machine enters the field, it detects the onions under the soil like a millimetric surgeon and brings them up to the surface within minutes. Thanks to its specially designed digging blades, it uproots the onions without damaging them, then carries them up with powerful conveyor belts. The soil and leaf separation system is a true marvel of engineering. Are you ready for this monster that reveals carrots under the soil in seconds? Introducing Carrot Harvesting Machine. When this impressive machine enters the field, it detects the carrots arranged in rows with millimetric precision and pulls them out of the soil by grabbing them by their stems with its specially designed gripper arms. The powerful conveyor belt system, which works at the same time, carries the extracted carrots up, cleans their leaves, and neatly transfers them to the crates. Here is a real monster that does not fight the soil, but shapes it. KLR 300 ST. This heavy-duty agricultural machine shows its full power especially on stony, compacted, and difficult-to-process grounds. Its powerful blades that work in depth advance by literally tearing the ground and turn the soil upside down and aerate it, making it ready for new planting. Much more than an ordinary plow, the KLR 300ST cultivates the field like a dozer when attached to a tractor, but it does so in an extremely balanced and regular manner. This impressive machine can harvest everything from green beans to sweet corn, spinach to seed corn, all on one platform. The 2470, an improved version of Oxbow's legendary Super Jack model, stands out for both its performance and durability. This tractor is not only powerful, it also works like an intelligent partner. With its 240 horsepower engine, it carries out every task with the same determination, from the most difficult field work to the most delicate planning tasks. Thanks to the continuously variable Vario transmission system, neither a gear shift is felt nor is there any loss of performance. The tractor moves forward in an uninterrupted flow.